Mandela FX ICT initiated 2026 free teaching. Introduction to Forex Trading. Lesson 6. Time frame. Time frame. In this lesson, we're going to learn about time frame. Introduction to Forex Trading. Lesson 6. So we have been running from lesson 1 to this is lesson 6. Time frame. What is time frame? A specific period of time in which something occurs or is planned to take place. In the forex market, candlesticks are formed based on time frame which are as follows. So what is this point trying to make? Time frame, it is a specific period of time where something is planned to occur, is planned to take place. So in the forex market, these candlesticks, I talked about candlesticks in the previous lesson, right? Then I you saw how this candle were forming. I showed you it was forming in front of you. So that one that was forming, it was forming based on time frame. Any time frame you go, I'm going to take you to the forex chart. You will see all these things. Then you see how this thing form based on time frame. We have time frame in the market. So these are the time frame I list out here. The one I list here, the time frame we have, there are more than this. But the basic one I use in my trading is what I put up here for you. And I'm going to break them down for you now. So we'll start from the higher one, which is monthly time frame. Candlesticks are formed on a monthly basis for the monthly time frame. So how many of them do I have here? I have monthly time frame, weekly time frame, daily time frame, 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame, 15 minutes time frame, 5 minutes time frame. So I'm going to break them down. They are well explained already by what I put up here, the right up. So monthly time frame means candlesticks are formed based on a monthly. All right. So they are all formed on a monthly basis. Then weekly time frame, candlesticks are formed on a weekly basis. Daily time frame, candlesticks are formed on a daily basis. 4-hour time frame, candlesticks are formed on 4-hour basis. 1-hour time frame, candlesticks are formed on 1-hour basis. 15 minutes time frame, candlesticks are formed on 15 minutes basis. 5 minutes time frame, candlesticks are formed on 5 minutes basis, right? So if you are looking at this, a brief explanation to this, we're not wasting much time here. Then I'll take you to the practical of it. You see on the chart what is time frame, how this candle form based on time frame. You're going to see that. So on this monthly chart, you can call it chart or time frame, monthly chart or monthly time frame. You can call it that. So it takes 30 days, it takes 1 month for one candle to form on that time frame. So with the explanation of time frame we have here, something that is planned to occur, all right, within a specific period of time. So on the monthly time frame, a candlestick is planned to form. It takes 30 days before one candle will finish forming on it. Then on a weekly time frame, it takes 1 week for one candle to form on a weekly time frame. Then on a daily, it takes 1 day, a whole day for one candle to form on that daily time frame. Then on a 4-hour time frame, it takes 4 hours for one candle to form on 4-hour time frame. On 1-hour time frame, it takes 1 hour for one candle to form on that time frame. It takes 15 minutes for one candle to form on 15 minutes time frame. It takes 5 minutes for one candle to form on 5 minutes time frame. There are other ones who have 1 minute time frame, 3 minutes time frame, a second time frame. But I stop at 5 here. All right. Then when I take you to the chart where I'm going to show you the practical of it, I'll go deeper to other time frame that are not here. Then you will see how this candle form based on time frame, how it is planned to occur. All right. So when we go into the practical in the next slide, you're going to see all of them clearer and how we operate with the time frame. So this is
the practical aspects of the time frame. Here I'm going to show you all the time frame. This is trading view. All right, some of you must have been familiar with trading view by now, watching my video till this lesson, introduction to forex. So now I'm going to show you real quick what we mean by time frame. So when you come to trading view, you see everything that is lined up here. You see 5M, 15M, you can see there, then 1H, 4H, like I showed you in the previous slide. So now let's, when you draw it, scroll down like this, you're going to see you see D. That D mean daily time frame, W mean monthly weekly time frame, then M mean monthly time frame. All right, so there's one small arrow there. When you click on it, it's going to show you a lot of other time frame. See them here. All right, you see, so those ones that are showing there that you see, they are the one I star them. They are my favorite time frame that I use. You can see as they are showing here, I start 5 minutes time frame. You can look at it here. I start 15 minutes time frame. Then I start 4-hour time frame. I start 1-hour time frame. I start daily time frame. I start weekly time frame. I start monthly time frame. 1 month, you can see it here. 1 week, 1 day, 4 hours, 1 hour. You can see, right? So those one that I showed you in the previous slide, they are the one, like I said, that see 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 1 range, 10 range, 100 ranges, 1000 ranges. But the one I use, the major one we use frequently in trading, they are the one that I start here as I explained to you. All right. So now I said before that let me start from the monthly time frame. When you click on this M at the top here, I've already started them. That's why they are showing here. So when you click on that M, it will take you to a monthly time frame. So what is telling you there is on this monthly time frame, what is telling you is it's telling you that let me take out this. It's telling you that this candle, like I said, it's this candle that is forming now. Look at this green one that is going up. All right, it takes 1 month for this candle to finish forming on this time frame. All right, that is what it is there. It's not more than that. Then let's go to a weekly time frame, which is that W. Then this W now, look at this long candle here, this long green candle. It formed last week. All right, let me put my cursor there. You're going to see the date. You can see the date right there. See the date here. It formed 19th January 2026, which is last week. So a new one is forming currently. The new one that is forming right now, look at the new one. This is the new one that is forming. So this one will be showing like that till 1 week before it finish forming. All right, then let's go to a daily chart, which is this one, D. When you go to D, you now see that it will take, look at this one that is forming now. This is the one that is forming. It will take a whole day for this one to finish forming on this time frame. All right, then all this other one here formed last week. If you put your cursor there, you will see the date. Let me put my cursor there. You see this one formed on the 23rd of January 2026. This one formed on the 22nd of January 2026. This black one formed on the 21st of January 2026. All right, so this is the daily time frame. It takes a whole day for one candle to form on this time frame. Then when you go to 4-hour time frame, you see now all this candle that is forming here now, it takes 4 hours for one candle to finish forming. This black one that is forming down, coming down like this, it takes 4 hours for one of this candle to finish forming here. Then when you take it down to 1 hour, let's go to 1 hour, which is that 1H. It takes 1 hour for one of it to finish forming. All right, like this one that is forming right now. This one that is forming right now, 1 hour. In 1 hour time, it will finish forming. Another one will now open. Then this other one here has already finished forming. All right. So let's go to the next time frame, which is 15 minutes. I am breaking all of them down to you now, how you navigate around this thing. So on this time frame, it takes 15 minutes for one candle to finish forming on this one right here. This particular time frame, 15 minutes for one of it to finish forming. All right. So I am going to go down to a 1 minute time frame now, where you will see, look at the last one that I put here as my star is 5 minutes. Take 5 minutes for one of it to finish forming here. Then I'm going to go to 1 minute time frame now, where you will see how they are forming 1 minute. It takes 1 minute for one to finish forming. So let's go to 1 minute time frame. You now click here, this place right here, that place. Then it will show you where to, because I don't use 1 minute frequently, so I don't star it, I don't put it in my favorite. So when you click there, it's going to show you, look at 1 minute here. This is 1 minute. All right. So let me click on that 1 minute now. Now let's watch. We're going to watch. This is a live chart right now on Trading View. Now this candle is forming right now. This black one, this one is still forming. All right. We don't know if it is going to be black or green. When it's forming, you don't know for certain until it finishes forming. Then you will know if it is going to be black or red. That one has finished forming. We are going to watch like 2 candles will form on this time frame. This is 1 minute time frame now. So each of them is forming one minute. One minute. So let's watch. This one has finished forming now. This green one has finished forming. Another one is forming right now. So let's see. In the next 1 minute, look at the time it's reading here. Let me show you the time. Look at the time it's reading here. Can you see the time? You can see there. This is in Nigeria time. This is 8:58. And when you look at the top of my screen here, you're going to see my time there, 8:58 as well. Trading View, when you look down here where I cycle here, you will see the same thing. I'm using New York time on Trading View. So when it is 8:59, another candle will open and we start forming. So let's watch. You see now 8:59. This one has finished forming. Another one is forming again now. So once it is 9 o'clock, I will now end this video. That is to say that 3 candles has formed in front of you. Then the rest of the things you need to do is for you now to practicalize this thing, experiment them just the way I'm doing it. You copy me exactly what I'm doing. You experiment this thing yourself. The best way of learning is by experience. The moment you experience this thing that I'm teaching you, that's how you learn very fast. All right. So let's wait for this last one to finish forming. It's forming. So as it is forming, once it is 9 o'clock, another one will form. And this is 1 minute chart. It is because of the length of the video, I don't want to make it long. That's why I'm using 1 minute. If I go to 15 minutes, 1 hour, it will take us 1 hour. Wait till 1 hour before another candle will form. Now it is 9 o'clock now. You can see it. That black one has finished forming. Another one is now forming. All right. So I hope you all understand this and you enjoy the video. The next lesson we are going into now, that is going to be the final lesson of this introduction to Forex. And you will see how I break down everything. You're going to see some question that you have in your mind right now will be broke down there in the last lesson. So everything you see me doing here, experiment it, practicalize it, copy me, all right? Just the way you copy my trade. So anything I'm doing, you copy it. That's how you will learn how to do this, all right? So I hope you all enjoy this. Stay tuned till I see you in our last lesson to introduction to Forex. I remember Mandela FX, the Eagle Eye.